Model, 67 plate Ford Transit Custom 290 limited Euro 6 spares or repairs needs a head gasket. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 136,000. MOT, the 31st of August 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.